This is my first impression about this brush. It's amazing. Wow, it's so beautiful box. Wow, it's so nice and very small. It's the size of my palm. This hole for attach the charger wire. Wow, this is so gentle and very soft. Here is a handbag that came with this device. This is the on-off button. Oh my gosh. It came already with charge. Wow. You can see the bristles are twisting around. You can see how it works. Hi everyone, nice to see you all. Today my video is about Ronux facial cleansing brush. This little baby, you see, it's a unique shape. How lovely. You see, you just keep it here. There are many kinds and many famous brands facial cleansing brushes are available nowadays. In my life I have used two kinds of brushes. One is the Remington cleansing brush. Another one is the dupe of Foreo cleansing silicone one. I really love this brush, but it's not available. I only use this massaging head for massage, but sometimes I still use, oh my gosh, where is the other brush? Still I use the harder brush if I need some, if I need to scrub my face, so I still use this. It's also good result. It brings it smooth and cleanse well. Still I need more deep cleansing and more smooth. So I needed to change those two facial cleansing brushes. So I need to go for the new one, but I don't want to waste hundreds of pounds for those famous brands, I searched in Amazon, but I found this one. I ordered this brush, but still I had a doubt on my mind that how this tiny brush is going to work and cleanse my face, and everyone are praising this brush. You will see the demo that how I use this brush. I use Bioderma micellar water to remove my makeup. I washed my face with water, then I'm going to use this cleansing brush using my favorite Purity cleanser. I'm so excited to use this brush. You can see how it's rotating. Wow, it's so soft on my skin. Now I set the massaging mode. I love this brush. It's very soft on my skin and easy to use. Here are 4 functions available in this brush. That's all I'm done. Oh my gosh, my face so soft and so smooth. I'm so impressed. This brush, this is the massaging mode. This is the much faster rotating one. There are 4 settings on this brush. Very beautiful box. It looks like a watch box. You see. There's the handbook. It's a little handbook. You can know everything about the brush, how to use the functions of settings. This brush is excellent for traveling. You can keep it in your handbag. When you use this brush, you don't feel is it massaging, scrubbing or cleansing. But after washing your face, oh my gosh, you will feel huge difference. This is amazing high quality brush. I highly recommend this brush. It has a very soft bristles. See? This already came with charged. Still I didn't charge it. This charges very quickly. Totally different facial cleansing brush. I don't need to change the head like this. I can use for whole life because it's a silicone one. I will never compare this brush with any other facial cleansing brushes because that much excellent brush. I swear this is the best facial cleansing brush I ever had. In my first use I felt huge different. My face gone much smoother and softer and it cleansed well. Easy to use. I love the shape. I love this color. It's a great must-have device. You have to connect with this. You see, to connect like this and use this way. It will charge very quickly. This tiny brush does what I want. It's not only massager, it's not only scrubber, it's an excellent cleansing brush. This little baby is $24.95 at Amazon. I hope you love this video and I think that this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye.